Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling your device GPS and setting location accuracy to high. This ensures precise coordinates. Once done, open Only Way, sign in or create an account, and grant camera plus location permissions so photos can store geotags. Next, choose the photo mode, pick timestamp and geotag format to match your workflow, and select any map projection the app offers. This gets you immediately ready to capture images that already contain accurate location data. You frame the subject, lock focus and exposure, and then tap the geotag preview to confirm coordinates. This prevents mismatched locations. After that, use the live map overlay to nudge position context and add notes, project ID, or custom tags so each image is searchable later. Once satisfied, save with automatic backup enabled or use manual save if you prefer local control. Make sure each thumbnail displays coordinates. That visual check stops mistakes early. You finish by exporting photos with embedded EXIF geotags or by creating a CSV or KML for GIS tools, depending on your needs. Then, verify coordinates in the app gallery or an external map to confirm accuracy. If several are off, use the batch correct feature to edit tags quickly. If GPS fails during capture, toggle location services, move to an open sky area, or use the app's manual coordinate entry to fix a single photo. This one troubleshooting step solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.